Are you ready to move beyond basic chatbots and unlock true language mastery? Welcome to our complete course on advanced natural language processing. We broke down the fundamental shift, the one that leaves keyword matching behind in favor of context and intent. In this practical deep dive curriculum, you won't just study theory, you will learn to construct model brains from the ground up, following a strict cycle of training, evaluation, implementation, and iteration. We investigated how specialized systems use advanced knowledge mining to organize messy data, and finally, we mastered making interactions feel human, adding personality and capturing the unique colloquial phrasing your users actually use, bridging gaps, mastering models, and deploying instant answers. Watch the whole course and master advanced language AI solutions. Let's bridge the gap together. Welcome to the new era of communication. For years, talking to a computer was like a rigid game of match the key word. If you didn't use the exact phrase a programmer expected, the system simply failed. But today, the game has changed. Modern natural language processing has moved beyond simple word matching into true language understanding. Imagine searching for a bank. Instead of getting confused between your finances and a riverbank, modern AI uses context to get exactly what you mean. This shift matters because it solves the layman's challenge, that frustrating struggle of using Control+F through massive manuals hoping to find the right word. Advanced systems now understand your intent. Whether you ask how to reset a password or why you can't log in, the AI recognizes these different phrases point to the same underlying goal. This isn't just a fancy demo, it's a solution that saves time and handles thousands of queries with sci-fi efficiency. To understand how AI truly listens, we have to look at the anatomy of a conversation, which is built on three pillars: intents, utterances, and entities. First, the intent is the why, the underlying goal, like booking a flight or checking the weather. Next is the utterance, or the how. Humans are creative, so a machine must be trained to recognize everything from formal speech to slang and even typos to identify that goal. Finally, we have entities, which represent the what. These are the specific details, like a destination or a date, that turn a general request into an actionable one. By breaking language down this way, we bridge the gap between human creativity and machine logic. Building an effective AI isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. It's a constant cycle. It starts with training, where you feed the model examples, like teaching a child, so it can learn patterns and generalize to understand new phrases. Next comes evaluation, a blind test using new data. We measure success on key metrics, precision, or how often it's right. Recall how many correct answers it found, and the F1-SCORE, which balances both. Once it proves it's smart enough, we move to implementation, deploying it to a public endpoint, a web address your chatbot can call for help. Finally, we must perform refinement and error analysis. Developers study real-world user mistakes, like ambiguity errors, where the intent isn't clear, to retrain and sharpen the model over time. While some AI is designed for actions, like booking a flight, other AI is specialized for question answering, the technology powering modern help bots. These systems work in a four-step sequence. First, the AI processes your question to pick out keywords. Next, it retrieves information by hunting through its knowledge base of manuals and FAQs. Third, it processes that data to extract the specific answer. And finally, it generates the response for you. We divide these systems into two categories: closed domain, or niche experts, and open domain, which use massive sources like Wikipedia. To keep them running smoothly, developers use knowledge mining to turn messy, unstructured data into that clean, searchable, and usable knowledge base for the AI. To make language AI feel truly natural, developers employ three advanced techniques. First, multi-turn conversations allow the bot to maintain state, remembering what was just said. If you ask to cancel a reservation, it will ask hotel or flight, rather than getting confused. Second, alternate phrasing expands the bot's knowledge base with synonyms and colloquial terms. Whether a user says, "void my booking," or "cancel my trip," the AI ensures they always get the correct answer. Third, adding chit-chat gives the bot personality, moving beyond cold, robotic responses to professional, witty, or friendly interaction. But as we make AI more human-like, we must perform regular bias audits, ensure the AI always identifies itself as a bot, and use robust backup and recovery across multiple regions to ensure the system stays resilient and online. During this course, we explored the fundamental shift from simple keyword matching to contextual language understanding. We broke down the anatomy of human speech into its core structural components, intents or goals, utterances, the creative phrasing, and entities, the specific data points needed for action. We then walked through the constant four-step cycle required to build a model's brain: training, evaluation, implementation, and iterative refinement. We investigated how question-answering solutions use knowledge mining to turn messy data into smart search, including closed and open domain systems. Finally, we mastered how to make language AI feel truly natural by adding multi-turn capability, capturing alternate phrasing, and injecting bot personality.